Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone duel for you. In the red corner, we have the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, and in the blue corner, the DJI Mini 2 SE drone. It's the battle of the skies, and only one can be the king of the clouds. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The Potensic Atom SE will set you back $299. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is slightly cheaper at $279. Reviewers appreciate the Potensic Atom SE for its value, but the DJI Mini 2 SE wins this round by a hair. But hey, what's $20 when you're investing in your future as an aerial ace, right? Both of these drones are like featherweights. They weigh less than 249 grams, so no need to worry about FAA registration. You can literally slip them into your pocket and pretend you're James Bond. However, the Potensic Atom SE boasts a fold-up design that fits even in a jacket pocket. DJI Mini 2 SE is also compact, but doesn't brag as much about it. Reviewers love the portability of both drones, so it's pretty much a tie here. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the cameras. The Potensic Atom SE comes with a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in your pocket. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers good camera quality but does not specify its specs as clearly. Reviewers rave about the Potensic Atom SE's camera quality, so this round goes to Potensic Atom SE. How long can you stay in the air? Potensic Atom SE gives you 62 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. DJI Mini 2 SE offers 31 minutes per battery, but if you buy the combo, you get 3 batteries for a total of 93 minutes. Reviewers love the extended flight time on the DJI Mini 2 SE, so if you're planning on a marathon aerial shoot, DJI Mini 2 SE has got you covered. Next up, distance. Potensic Atom SE boasts a 4 km transmission range with PixSync 2.0 technology. DJI Mini 2 SE, however, flexes a whopping 10 km max transmission range. Reviewers appreciate the strong signal and range of the DJI Mini 2 SE. It's like comparing a marathon runner to Usain Bolt. Sorry, Potensic, but DJI Mini 2 SE is leaving you in the dust. Both drones claim to laugh in the face of wind with level 5 wind resistance. However, DJI Mini 2 SE specifically mentions it can handle winds up to 38 km per hour. Reviewers highlight the DJI Mini 2 SE's performance in windy conditions. Potensic Atom SE, you might want to get your anemometer checked. Point to DJI Mini 2 SE again. For all you newbies out there, both drones are beginner-friendly. Potensic Atom SE has an exclusive Surge fly-flight control system with customizable flight modes. DJI Mini 2 SE has simplified operations and a return-to-home function. But here's the kicker. The DJI Fly app isn't on Google Play anymore. So Android users, you'll have to go hunting on DJI's official website. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use of both, but point to Potensic Atom SE for keeping it simple. Both drones have received glowing reviews from users. The Potensic Atom SE is praised for its camera quality, stability, and ease of use. Reviewers find it worth the cost and highly recommend it. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is lauded for its build quality, ease of use, and impressive performance in windy conditions. Users find it to be a reliable and affordable option for aerial photography. And there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. If you want more flight time and distance, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your buddy. But if you're all about that camera quality and ease of use, Potensic Atom SE has got your back. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.